In this video, you're going to discover what I believe to be the best online business from home anyone can start that requires zero experience or more than 30 minutes a day to do. If you're someone that's working a job you don't like right now and you want to possibly quit that job and be able to experience the freedom of doing what you want when you want while still having money come in, or maybe you're just someone who wants to create a side income on top of what you're doing that's very passive and simple, this video is for you. First, I'm going to share with you the results of beginners who have used this simple and easy online business so you can see what's possible. Then I'm going to share exactly how to set up this online business in as little as 10 minutes. By the end of the video, you'll have a full automated business system running in the background, full with products you'll be able to receive large commissions from referring people to, a done-for-you website, and even a follow-up process that will get people sending you money on autopilot even while you're hanging out with friends and family or sleeping. Then, towards the end of the video, I'm even going to share with you a live example of a totally free way you can get clicks to that website in less than 5 minutes, as well as a different bonus way to do it. That way, you'll be able to quickly and easily get to $300 or more a day as fast and as effortless as possible. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button to let me know. Now, real quick, I want to share some proof so you can see what's possible. So first off, I want to share some proof of myself using this online business. You can see Garrett Berry right here. Now, this business has 4 main income streams, which I'll share a little bit later in the video. Just income stream number 1, you can see I've been able to generate $38,525, and this was in a little more than 30 days using this simple process. Now, if I go into the members area right here of our Facebook community, you can see tons of people that are using this online business. You can see Justin just 9 hours ago, another $2,050 commission. You can see this from right here, Simeon, another $2,000 commission just came in while I was out having coffee, and you can see the screenshot right there. This person here, Joe, I logged into my back office just using this online business I'm going to share how to plug into just before church yesterday, he says, and saw I got my first sale, a $2,000 commission. And last but not least, Nate right here, just a few days before recording this video, boom, another $2,000 commission rolled in, and you can see the screenshot right there. So now what I want to do is first off explain exactly how this online business works, and then how you can plug into this and start getting clicks so you can get these commissions as well. So you can see on this online whiteboard how this online business works. I want you to take a look at it, and I want to break this down very simply. Now, a lot of online businesses, they're very complicated. They have a lot of moving pieces, and you have to set everything up yourself. As you can see in this red text, full automated online business, everything in this red square is going to be done for you, okay? I just want to break down how exactly this works though, but keep in mind, all of these pieces are going to be pre-set up, and you literally can just plug in and start using it. So the first thing is you're going to have a website right here that has a headline and a box that will collect your prospects' email addresses. Now, when it comes to online business, the fortune is in the follow-up. This system will allow you to collect people's emails, and what will happen is 2 things. It's going to automatically redirect them to a webinar that will start to sell people for you and get them to want to buy the products we're promoting. But it also is going to get added to an automatic follow-up email list. So when someone puts their email address, they will get added to an email list that has pre-written emails that will start sending people back to this sales webinar. And what's going to happen is the webinar and this business system will do all the telling and selling for you, so you will start to make money with the 4 main income streams inside of this system, so you can receive autopilot payouts. Now, I want you to take a look. All you have to do is, again, realize this is the full automated online business system that's done for you. The only work you'll have to do in about 30 30 minutes a day is just send clicks from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Wherever you want to get clicks from, we're gonna be sending clicks to this full automated online business, and we can start to make money. Now, there's going to be a link directly below this video. When you click that first link, it will take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, this is also going to be the exact business system you're going to use. So once you go through this process, pay close attention because this is the process you're going to use as well. Now, on this page, if it looks slightly different, that's fine. You're going to click the button if there is one, and you're going to put in your best Gmail address, okay, your best Gmail email, and click continue. Now, once you do that, you're going to be able to get taken to a page that looks something like this. Now, it's very important that you watch this video, and if you want to read over some more proof, you can see Paulo right here was able to actually get his Range Rover in cash just using the earnings with this simple online business. You can see me right here. I had a $4,000 day, but what you want to do is just scroll through and you want to click get on the webinar. Now, once you do that, you're going to want to watch this webinar. It's about an hour long, and you're going to learn more information on the products we're selling with this online business, how it works, and how to set up your system. But in this video, I am going to give you a brief overview on how to do it as well. And then once you do that, once you watch this full webinar, you can click to join the team, and then ultimately you'll get taken to your back office. Now, like I said, there's 4 main income streams. All you have to do is click these buttons here, and you go ahead and activate your income streams. Now, it's very important, specifically on the first income stream, you activate the level of Vertex Live. You will find out more information if you watch this full tutorial here. Okay, you can actually go there and you can see they have a tutorial. You want to activate to Vertex Live because that gives you the ability to earn 100% $2,000 commissions like myself and all the other people you saw in the beginning. And once you sign up, once you upgrade to the Vertex Live level, you want to put your username here and click save and update. This allows you to get credit when you leverage this simple system right here, the same system that myself and everyone else is using. Okay, once you go through, you want to do that with all 4 income streams. As you can see, I've already set up my system. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is go ahead and get your link right here. This is your affiliate link. This is the link that sends people to the front of the system. So it's going to be tracked to you. My affiliate ID is 22. You will have a different one. So I like to copy this link and put it in a notepad file because we want to keep this handy. Now, like I said, if I go back here, all you have to do is just send clicks from one of these places to the full automated online business, which is basically to our link. So if I go to the link, okay, I want you to take a look here. If I actually open this up, you're going to see it's going to take us to the page that I shared in the beginning. So you're going to be able to get this exact system that has all the website, all the follow-up, all the high converting products built in. If you have to go out there and try to do another online business, you're going to have to do this yourself. You're going to have to hire coders. You're going to have to figure out all the sales. With this system, it gives you all this built in. So again, once you take your affiliate link, you just want to get clicks to your link. Now, in order to do that, you can go down and I'm going to share with you how to promote. Now, you can literally just use free traffic, free methods to get people to click your link, and the system will do all the selling for you. So they have a tutorial inside the system on getting traffic from Facebook. Now, I'm going to share with you a live example of doing this. So all you have to do is you can literally take this post and you can post this on your Facebook profile. And if you have some friends, you can start to get clicks to your link. Now, I want to share with you how to do that, okay? All you have to do is save this image here. Okay, so I saved it and opened it up. You can see this is what it looks like. I found a way to earn $2,000 per day, paid instantly and directly to your bank account, no crypto, no MLM, 2K commissions. Now, all you have to do is go to your Facebook profile, and if you have some friends and family, you can do this method. Just go to photo here and upload the photo that we just downloaded. So you can see right here, that is the photo, and literally all you have to do is post this to your Facebook profile and you can start to get people commenting. So what's going to happen is people will actually start commenting under this post, and I'll share with you an example I did a while ago. You can see right here, I said, wow, just found an instant paying 100% commission opportunity to get paid from your smartphone. Comment 100 for info. And you can see all these people commented 100, 100, 100. All I did was I opened up this person's profile, I clicked message, and I just sent them the link. I said something like, hey, I just saw you asked for info on this online business. Just go to this link for more info. And then I literally put in that affiliate link. And what I did was I copied that message and I just sent these people that message. And what happens is, again, they will go here, they will put their email in, and they will start to go through this process on autopilot, and you can start to earn just like we're all earning here. Now, I want to share with you one more method to get clicks to your link. If you have a little bit of extra money, you can actually use something called solo ads. So if you go to udemy.com, all the links referenced in this video are going to be in the description below. You can actually go to find sellers here. And what you can do is you can purchase solo ads from these vendors. Now, what these vendors do is these people have email lists that are in the make money online niche, which is the niche this online business is in. And you can open up someone's profile like this, and I can go down and I can actually purchase clicks directly from them. Now you can see the price here. So for this person, it's 40 cents per click. So I would do, starting off, 200 to 300 clicks before you go, a lot of clicks, because you want to test this person to make sure that it converts. You just want to choose that, and you can go to only link and then put in your Profits Passport link. Okay, Profits Passport is the name of this online business. Put it in there, check out with PayPal or a credit card, and you can start to get clicks within the day, sending directly to your link. And again, remember, this is what's taking place in the background. This is what's going to allow you to make these autopilot payouts. And all you're doing is just sending clicks to this full automated online business and to your link right here. So I really hope you enjoyed learning what I truly believe to be the best online business to start in 2023 and beyond. It gives you every single thing. If you try to go out there and set up an online business yourself, you're going to have to spend tons and tons of effort and trial and error. This gives you a high converting system to plug into. All the links down below. Be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.